This has definitely been a wild day in crypto so far. Ups, downs, lefts, rights, green, red, good news, bad news. And I will say that so far, the market is digesting things pretty well. And we'll see how things progress as the day goes on. But I do want to talk about all this news going on, some signs that are actually really promising for the crypto market, and some things that people probably need to be paying attention to moving forward here for BTC and altcoins as well. So again, if you guys haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. It's been growing like crazy, and it's all because of you guys. So what I will say here is we had great news that caused some green this morning around the crypto space, despite the red you're seeing right now. And that was the beat on both the CPI report and core CPI. Great news there. Also, the news surrounding the US and China provided some much needed clarity to the crypto market. We saw BTC breach 110K, saw Ethereum breach 2,800, which it's still holding above, and we saw altcoins go on some nice runs here as well. And what I think is very important about this is this has been very beneficial for altcoins more than anything else, because what we have done is we did in fact breach that 50-day moving average on BTC dominance. We are below it currently. And if we continue to hold this, this is a sign of what might be coming down the line. An aggressive drop for BTC dominance, altcoins heating up, big booms in the market. That's the things that we love to hear about and love to see. Now, understand that we have seen this breach a couple times before in recent history, from basically May 23rd till now. We have seen multiple breaches, wicks, and then retracements back to the upside. So that is what we do not need to see today. They're trying to shake us. It's not working yet, but we'll see what happens. And I'll get to this more here in just a moment. But what we are in fact seeing is a lot of altcoins start to outpace BTC over the last 90 days. And this is accelerating us towards this technical alt season like we were discussing. And we are now at the highest levels we have seen since the early part of May. And there are some coins that are just flying up the rear here that can frankly outpace BTC in a very short period of time. So definitely something to, in fact, pay attention to. Now, the markets did try to get shook just a little bit because we had this come out from Treasury Secretary Bessent that if the debt limit is not resolved, it could trigger the biggest financial crisis since 2008. So yeah, let's take the good news and just sprinkle a little bit of shit right on top just to make the market uncertain again, right? That seems to be the very recurring theme here. If you guys haven't noticed, try to shake the markets as soon as they start to get confident and heat up. All right. Now, what I will say here is I don't know if this negative stuff is enough to shake the markets. And this might not be the only thing we get today. Maybe there's some more stuff that comes out as the day progresses. But you're really starting to feel the embrace shift in the crypto space. First of all, I did want to point, I kind of glossed over this. Our CPI report today has not changed anything regarding interest rate decreases in the month of June. Still a 99.9% likelihood that we are not going to get an interest rate decrease in June. However, like I've talked about in other videos, Reuters is actually projecting that we are supposed to get an interest rate decrease in Q3 of this year. Donald Trump has also called for a full 100 basis point decrease in the coming months here. Not sure if that's going to happen or not, but we're very quickly getting closer to these points. And this could obviously kind of accelerate things in the crypto market, get a lot of people very excited about what's taking place. Now, what I wanted to point to as well is you're seeing huge embrace from large enterprises right now. Apparently 60% of Fortune 500 companies are working on blockchain projects. So we're starting to see the embrace of crypto is in fact real. This is why anybody that's sidelined right now, good luck, because these things start to move incredibly quickly, very fast when this embrace takes place. I talked about the fact that they've been trying to slow things down and trying to suppress retail while they weasel their way in. There you have it. 60% of them working on blockchain projects, institutional money, buying and buying and buying. 17 straight days, guys, almost a record in terms of institutional money adding Ethereum. What we're seeing on the BTC side, big adding as well. This week so far, what's that? $800 million in BTC added by institutional players. BlackRock buying $300 million yesterday alone. So the embrace is real. This is the exact thing that can likely take us to a next leg in the market. Not saying it's going to happen for sure right now, but I will say, that USDT dominance is looking a little droppy. You're seeing a lot of capital re-enter the market. Total 3. Again, perfect breakout right now, 30 days after the golden cross. A little bit of a retest right here at local resistance. Guys, we might be on the verge of the next major rally in the crypto market. Again, I'm not saying that's going to happen today or tomorrow or the next day. It'll probably surprise a lot of people. But the good news just keeps getting better and better and better. And it's getting us closer to these points. The negative news is getting weaker and less frequent. Okay. They will try to do whatever they can to shake the markets more times, but I think people are starting to get a lot wiser. And that's why we're seeing these higher lows in the crypto space. That's why we're seeing people hoarding their assets more. And I think most are coming to the understanding that time is in fact running out. But that's all I got for you guys. We're looking very good. Hopefully it continues as the day goes on, but we have the potential to build into a great week, and we'll see if it can continue that way. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.